Hello, today you will learn about IGNOU MCA and BCA revised solved papers of June 2010. Question 1. Part A. Define third normal form. Justify whether the following relation satisfies third normal form or not. In case it does not, decompose it into relations which do satisfy third normal form. What advantages are gained by this decomposition?
Third normal form is a database normalization process that refines a relational database schema to reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity. A relation is considered in 3NF if it meets the following conditions: it is in 2NF and it does not have any transitive dependencies. A transitive dependency exists when a non-prime attribute depends on another non-prime attribute. To satisfy 3NF, all transitive dependencies must be eliminated. Let's analyze the given relation. We should first identify the candidate keys and any potential transitive dependencies. Assuming that the combination of roll number and year can be a candidate key. Let's analyze the data. The attribute year is functionally dependent on roll number. So, there's no partial dependency. The attribute department is functionally dependent on roll number. Again, no partial dependency here. Now, let's check for transitive dependencies. Here, hostel name depends on year and year depends on roll number. We have identified a transitive dependency. To achieve 3NF, we need to eliminate the transitive dependency. This can be done by decomposing the relation into two separate relations, a relation that contains roll number, name, department, and year, and a relation that contains year and hostel name. Advantages gained by this decomposition are data integrity, reducing the chance of anomalies when updating data. And we can efficiently manage data updates and reduce data redundancy. The resulting relations are easier to maintain. Here are the decomposed relations, relation 1 and relation 2. These decomposed relations satisfy 3NF, eliminating the transitive dependency, and offer the advantages mentioned above.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for the next book.